Hello everyone. Today we are going to guide you on how to create shift in the Kent CamAttendance portal. To begin with, click on Master Data and select Shift. After that, click on Add New and then select Account option under Access Level. Then add a Shift ID morning and a shift name morning, for example. Then choose shift type as fixed. After that, add start time and end time of the shift. Now you may select grace period as yes or no. If you select grace period as yes, then select time in after shift start and before shift ends fields. Now select minimum hours for full day, minimum hours for half day, and then select continuous or alternate in and out, and finally click on submit, where you will get pop-up of shift added successfully. Now we will create a night shift. Click on add new again and fill shift ID as night and shift name as night. Add start time, end time and grace period. Then add after shift start, before shift ends, minimum hours for full day, minimum hours for half day. Then select continuous or alternate in and out and click on submit. You will get shift added successfully notification. Now we will create a flexible shift. Again, click on add new and enter shift ID as flexi, shift name as flexible and select shift type flexible. Then add duration, select core hours if applicable. Add core hours start time, core hours end time. Select minimum hours for full day, minimum hours for half day, and select continuous or alternate in and out, and finally click on submit. You will get shift added successfully notification. Now go to the left hand side and click on shift plans. Then go to the right hand side top corner and click on add new. Then select account under access level, add shift plan ID as morning, shift plan name as morning plan. Select the right shift from the drop down options. Select the effective date for the shift plan. Then choose after how many days will the shift plan repeat. Accordingly, fill repeat every and frequency from the given options as per your need. Select if you would want to allow employees to choose one shift from multiple shifts in a day. Now check mark the day versus shift plan basis how you want to create it. Finally click on submit and you will receive shift plan added successfully notification. To move on further, now we will create a dynamic shift plan. Click on add new, then select account under access level. Add a shift plan ID dynamic, shift plan name dynamic. Select shifts morning and night. Add effective date, then select the repeating frequency from the given options for repeat every and frequency. Select yes for allowing employees to choose one shift from multiple shifts in a day. After that, in the table, select all under morning and night. Click on submit. Then you will receive pop-up notification of shift plan added successfully. Now again click on add new, select access level Add shift plan ID as Flexi, shift plan name as Flexible. Select the flexible shift, add new date. Choose when you want the shift plan to repeat by selecting Repeat Every and Frequency. Select No under Allow employees to choose one shift from multiple shifts in a day. After that, select from the table days and week offs according to your choice. And finally click on Submit to get notification for shift plan added successfully. Thank you for your time and patience. We will come up with more such tutorial videos in future.